How to fix a leak in your car's antifreeze system.
Hello there, car enthusiasts and deers. Today, we're going to tackle a common but crucial issue many car owners face: leaks in the antifreeze system. This tutorial will guide you through a step-by-step process to help you effectively detect and fix the leak.
What is an antifreeze leak?
Before we dive into the solution, let's first understand the problem. An antifreeze leak in your car can result in overheating and can damage your engine if not addressed promptly. Antifreeze, also known as coolant, is a liquid that circulates through the engine to keep it cool and prevent overheating. If this leaks, it's a clear signal that something's wrong.
How can I identify an antifreeze leak?
Identifying an antifreeze leak isn't too complicated. The first sign of a leak is typically finding a puddle of liquid under your car. This liquid is often brightly colored, orange, pink, or green. Another sign is an overheating engine or a low coolant warning light on your dashboard.
Locating the leak.
Before you can fix the leak, you need to locate it. Start by checking the radiator for any signs of leakage. If you can't spot the leak here, look around the hoses, water pump, heater core, and thermostat housing. These are common places where coolant leaks can occur. Use a flashlight to look for wet or discolored spots that may indicate a leak.
How to fix the leak.
The method of fixing the leak will depend on its location. For minor leaks in the radiator or hoses, you may use a radiator stop leak additive that can be bought from any auto parts store. This additive will seal small leaks when added to the coolant reservoir. If the leak is coming from a damaged hose, it'll need to be replaced. To do this, first drain the coolant, then remove the clamps holding the damaged hose. Replace it with a new one and secure it with the clamps. Finally, refill the coolant. For leaks from the water pump or thermostat housing, the parts may need to be replaced. This process can be complex and may require professional assistance if you're not comfortable performing these repairs yourself. Remember, always let the engine cool down before you start working on it to avoid burns. Fixing an antifreeze leak is crucial to prevent engine damage. Whether it's a simple fix with a stop leak additive, a hose replacement, or a more complex part replacement, dealing with the issue promptly will help keep your car running smoothly. We hope this guide was helpful in aiding you to detect and resolve your car's antifreeze leak. Until next time, happy and safe driving!